So let's just see the very first construction, that is the construction number 1, which says to construct the tangents to a circle from a point outside it. So let us suppose if there exists any particular point outside the given circle, then we have to draw the tangents. So let us suppose what is given to us. So we'll start the solution by taking, we are given a circle with a center O and the point P outside it. We have to construct two tangents from P to the circle. So remember, we are taking the construction, or we are taking the circle as with the center nothing but O, and there exists a particular point P which is lying outside, and we have to draw two tangents to the circle having the center as O. So let us suppose if I am starting the construction by taking the steps of construction one by one, and it says join PO and bisect it. Let us suppose first of all I am neglecting the step number 1. So if this is the given circle to me, which is nothing but having the center as nothing but O, and there exists any particular point P, so the very first step of construction is like join OP. So let's just join OP. So we have joined OP, and it says bisect it. We know how we can draw the perpendicular bisector of any particular line segment. So let's just draw the perpendicular bisector of this particular line segment using the help of the compass. I will open it more than half of it, and then I will draw or mark an arc up as well as below from the point P as well from the point O as well. So let's just draw. Let us suppose these are my two arcs. Let us suppose these are my two arcs, and let's just join these two, and wherever they are intersecting at the or the line segment PO, let us suppose I am calling that point as nothing but M. So let M be the midpoint of a PO. Definitely M is nothing but the midpoint because it is the perpendicular bisector of PO. So this is my step number 1. So let's just move on further. So the step number 2 would be like taking M as a center and PM or OM as a radius. So taking PM as a center. So let us suppose this is a M as a center or PM as a radius. Using the help of the compass, I am forming a circle over here of this type. So this is the circle. As you can see, it will pass through this particular center of the circle as well. So wherever the circle is intersecting this previous circle, let the points, or we call the points as nothing but Q and R. So you can see this circle is intersecting this circle at exactly 2 points, at this point, and we are calling this point as Q and this point as nothing but R. So the next step would be like we have to join the P, Q and PR in this manner. So I have joined this P, Q and PR. Now you can see this. You can see this for this circle having the center as nothing but O. There exists a particular point P outside, and we have drawn the two tangents PQ and PR to this particular circle, which is nothing but the circle with the center O. And hence at the end, PQ and PR are nothing but the required two tangents to the given circle having the center as nothing but O. Now again, we know that if we'll join O with Q, if we'll join O with Q, then this angle is nothing but 90 degree. We can also say why this angle is 90 degree, because this is the angle in the semicircle, and we always know that. Let us suppose if I have to give the justification for this one, then I can say that since this angle is actually the angle in the semicircle, let us suppose I am calling this as angle 1. So the angle 1 is the angle in the semicircle. In the semicircle, then we can also say that this angle is nothing but is equal to 90 degrees. Since this angle is the angle in the semicircle, and we know about the angle in semicircle that its measure is always 90 degree. So hence, if this is the angle in the semicircle, so this angle's measure is definitely 90 degrees. So this is all about the construction number 1, which is related with drawing the two tangents from a point outside of the circle. So I hope all the steps related to it is all clear to you.